Hello guys. So good morning. So look at outside. It's very frozen. The trees is like a Christmas tree. Look at that. When a little bit close up. So guys. So very cold outside. It's 14 degrees under zero. Very cold. So guys, look at our street. And the trees looks very beautiful. Like a Christmas tree. So yan guys. So look at that.